Welcome to this tutorial where I guide you through the process of editing different dimension types and the document settings. So let's dive right in. To kick things off, let's take a look closer at the Editable Dimensions. These are easily identified in the design mode as they appear in a distinct blue hue. You can modify them effortlessly by either double-clicking on the dimension, such as the car width, or by accessing the properties after activating the dimension. In the properties, you have the option to enable or disable a single dimension. Another way to disable a single dimension: activate it and press the Delete key or the Delete Selected Objects button. You can see this action in the Overrides docking window and undo it by deleting the entry. That's pretty simple, right? Then let's move on to the resulting dimensions. These dimensions are grayed out and, unlike editable dimensions, cannot be directly edited. However, there's a clever workaround for certain special dimensions, like the shaft width and depth. We can indirectly modify them through chain dimensions. Click on, for instance, the shaft width, and you'll be able to view the corresponding values in the Properties window, which together result in this dimension. By adjusting these values, you effectively tweak the resulting dimension, in this case, the shaft width. Let me briefly show you the document settings. First, activate the document through the breadcrumb docking window, then proceed to the Properties docking window. Here you can adjust the project units, switching between metric and imperial systems, or modify the units from millimeters to centimeters or meters. Additionally, you can set rounding for decimal places. Thanks for watching!